everyone. So right now we're at Jay's place. As you can see, he works on bikes. So I actually bought my motorcycle hitch from Jay. That's how we met. So maybe be more work done. So yeah. Alright, man, appreciate it. Cool. Alright, until next time. Yeah, for sure. Alright, man. Thanks, man. Peace. I'm very sorry in advance of how I'm gonna be editing all this, because like I said, I really don't do vlogs. And it's still kind of awkward for me to, like, you know, talk to people and vlog. I don't know, it's not natural yet. So nonetheless, that was Jay. He's a very cool guy. I'm glad I met him. And this is like one of the reasons why you should try to buy things locally instead of like buying everything off, you know, Amazon or something online. It's because you can actually build relationships. Okay, well, we're gonna go back home, put the wheels back on, kinda. We're gonna kinda put the wheels back on because we still need to do the chain and sprockets. I'm not gonna retake everything off. So chain and sprockets coming tomorrow. So we're gonna go back home and just put on just the front wheels. Cover gasket for Honda Grom 2020, and then the oil spinner gasket too.
Probably should get some Honda brand.
Thank you.
That should be a good way. We just point the whole thing in, right? Then
Yep.
Point
Yep.
Cool. Thank you.
you.
All right. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little time lapse of this build that we did. If you're not subscribed yet, I highly recommend you do so, because we are going to be riding this to San Diego to the Throttle headquarters to pick up my FJ. So if you're interested in that adventure, again, make sure you subscribe. But on that note, I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.